Let me be the first to wish you guys a happy new year in advance. Happy new year, guys. Hi guys. Say hi guys. See him putting his brush in his mouth like he can brush anything. Hmm? Hey. Hey besties, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas to you guys. It's Christmas day and I wish every single one of my subscribers a Merry Christmas. If you guys are Christians and if you're a Muslim, a Happy New Year in advance. Yes, let me be the first to wish you guys a Happy New Year in advance. Happy New Year, guys. I just finished cooking. I wish I could like go out have fun, but my baby is just too small for that right now. At the end of the day, I'm just going to go out babysitting. That's just it. So let me just stay in the house, enjoy life. Thank God for another Christmas, yet alive. 2024 is gradually going to an end. You guys, 2025 will soon be here. Hey God, we need to monetize this channel. I really need to monetize this channel, you guys. I don't know how I want to do it, but I definitely have to before June next year, 2025. So help me God, I hope I don't slack because I just have to, you guys. But anyway, let me not bore you guys with my own monetization talk. You guys should enjoy your Christmas. For me, I'm just going to eat, definitely watch a whole lot of Christmas movies because I've downloaded a whole lot. And then, that's Christmas for me and my family. I don't know if this vlog is going to come out shortly after Christmas because I even have some vlogs that I have not posted before Christmas, you understand? So I don't know if I'm going to post those ones first, but I definitely want to come up on the 26th, 27th of December. But anyways, thank you guys for watching me deep clean my house. Of course, I couldn't vlog a lot because I had to join the boys in cleaning as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys, I love you. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys hopefully before the new year. Yeah, bye guys.